Hey, myself, Craft and Design 2.0. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of Christmas wooden decor. Bring you up practical ideas that not only enhance your living space but also cater to the needs of preference of the modern homeowner. So stick around for some fantastic inspiration. Christmas is all about quality wooden decor that adds a touch of timeless elegance to your home. From rustic to contemporary design, they have got it all. Let's explore some trends, Christmas pieces, and the seamlessly blend with any interior style. It's just not about the aesthetics, it's all about the functionality too. They will show you how Christmas wooden decor is not just visually appealing but also serve a practical purpose. Think multifunctional furniture, space-saving solution and clever design that make your life easier. Now I want to hear from somewhere in the poll above. Let me know which Christmas style you are loving so far. Is it for a rustic charm or the sleek modern look? Drop your comment below. I'd love to incorporate your preferences in future my videos. Here's the fun part. Let's get crafty. We'll explore some easy do it by yourself using Christmas wooden pieces. Personalizing your decor not only adds a unique touch but also saves you a few bucks. Plus, it's a great weekend project to do with your family and the friend. As you thank you for being a part of our community. We have teamed up with a Christmas to bring you an exclusive discount. Check out the description box below for details on how you can sang some these amazing wooden decor at a special price. So just it's up to you. That wrap a Christmas decor wooden journey today. We will explore, enjoy the videos, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more home decor inspiration. Remember your space reflects you, so make it uniquely yours. Until next time, happy decorating. By combining the charm of Christmas with the warmth of wooden decor, these ideas provide viewers with the practical eco-friendly option for holiday decorating. This approach not only enhances the festive atmosphere but also encourages sustainable choice, making it a win-win for both creator and the viewers. Creating wooden decor projects can be a delightful and rewarding experience. I will outline a simple step-by-step guide for a few popular Christmas wooden decor projects. Do it by yourself wooden ornaments, material small wooden shapes, pre-cut or cut your own, acrylic paint, paintbrush, glitter glue optional, twine or the ribbon for hanging. Step prepare wooden shapes. Sand the wooden shapes to ensure smooth edges. Second one is painting. Apply a base coat of acrylic paint and let it be dry completely. Add a festive design of pattern with different color. Apply a glue and the sprinkle glitter for a sparkly finish. Number three is finishing touch. Once you paint is dry, attach twine or the ribbon for the hanging. Consider adding a layer of clear sealant for the durability. Wooden advent calendar material, small wooden box or the dryer, number sticker and the stencils, paint brushes, small eco-friendly gifts. Step 1. Prepare a box. If not pre-numbered, add number to the box using sticker and the stencils. Painting. Paint the box in a festive color and a uniform theme. Allow them to dry completely. And the number three is filling. Fill each box with a small eco-friendly gift or that treats arrangements. Arrange the boxes in the form of calendar. Optional, attach the box to the wooden board for a frame. Rusting wooden wreath. The materials: wooden slice or the reclaimed wood, twine or the wire, greenery rail or the artificial berries, pine cone or the ornaments. Ornaments are the optional. Now we are going through the steps. Prepare base. Arrange wooden sliced or reclaimed wood in a circular shapes. Use twine or the wire to secure the wooden pieces together. Attach greenery berries, pine cone or the ornaments using the hard glue. Create a bow for a twine or the ribbon that attach it. These projects are meant to be flexible, so feel free to adapt them to your preferences and the available materials. Don't forget to document your process through videos or the photo to share with others so who might be interested in recreating these festive wooden decor projects. So here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you so much.